Here's how to delete a contact from your phone in iOS 26. There's two methods. Well, there's one method, but there's two ways to get there. First is if you tap on the phone here and then tap on contacts, find the contact you want to delete. Let's do this one at the very top. You'll see if you scroll down, there is no delete option, but if you tap on edit and then scroll down to the very bottom, you will see delete contact. Tap on that, then tap delete contact again, and they'll be deleted. So that's how we delete it. That's one of the ways to find the contacts. The other way you can find contacts is by just searching for the Contacts app. So instead of going there through the phone, we go directly through the Contacts app. The process is the exact same to delete a contact once you find them, just a different way to find them on your phone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to make sure your phone is private and not tracking you. It's an important video. Make sure you check that out.